Here's Sam's helicopter.
Oh. There's like an easy fly mode on it. All right.
Whoa, careful.
Yeah, I got it.
Molly, are you showing me your makeup?
Having that charge.
It's fully charged.
Oh. Why?
Pretty.
Cool. Woo!
Hey, when it's down, stop it. Stop.
Because he just has to learn how to fly it.
Oh, okay. I'm like, why isn't it staying there?
Trust me, I can't fly them very well
I
either.
can't either.
They're hard when I
Guess you'll
try.
have to practice, huh?
Keep it in the air
That's awesome how the thing rotates.
so it doesn't bump into stuff. That's awesome.
He's doing good.
I like it. It has a gate around it. Dave, open something.